This looks pretty good. Now, the wife has been waiting forever for this cookbook to ship, and I'm excited because Hungarian goulash is one of those really delicious foods that I didn't think I'd find a recipe for in here, so I'm going to try and make it as best as possible. But, no promises. But I feel pretty good about the process. Now, normally I'm not a big onion guy, but I feel like I'm going to be as true to the recipe as possible and put whatever it asks for in there. And there's a lot of paprika, which is where a lot of the flavor comes from, tomato paste, carrots, potatoes, crushed tomatoes, and honestly, I hope this all blends together really well. Go ahead and add some brown sugar, a little red wine vinegar, the meat back in with those juices, and let it simmer with a couple bay leaves. And you know what? This looks good enough to eat. And I think I will. Honestly, I really wasn't sure what to think of this at first. It has good tomato flavor. That paprika's strong. It's warming, but it's not full of heat. It's just a nice sauce, and the meat's good, and potatoes are nice, carrots are carrots. But yeah, you know what? I think I would make this again. This is a very good comfort meal, and it's starting to get a little cold outside, so I'm gonna give this a solid 8.5 out of 10, and I think we'll be cooking this more often. Thanks for watching, and remember, food should be an adventure.